Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another entrepreneur life vlog. So I haven't done one of these in so long, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my business. So my business is King's Hair Care. We're a vegan, all natural hair care brand, and we sell a hair growth oil and a hair growth butter, and that is part of our hair growth collection. We are going to be expanding it soon, and we're going to be having a shampoo coming out soon, and we're going to have a complete line eventually, but right now we just have a hair growth butter and a hair growth oil. So this is our hair growth butter, and I have that in my hair right now. I used it to do a twist out. I really love this product, and I also have a hair growth oil, and I use this oil to take down my twist. I also like to use this for scalp massages and hot oil treatments as well. So these can be found on my website. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of like a business update, but also I'm going to be getting ready to restock my website because Black Friday was last week. And I did run out of a lot of things, and I'm going to be needing to restock. So this week is going to be me restocking my website and everything like that. So today I'm going to be washing my jars for my hair growth butter and washing the oil jars. And depending on how long that takes will determine what I get done for the rest of the night. But I don't plan on doing everything tonight because this is a long process. But yeah, so Black Friday was pretty good. It was my first Black Friday. I want to say I had between 11 and like 14 orders. I'm not too sure because I had a Black Friday sale, and then I extended it for the weekend, and then I also did a Cyber Week sale. So my my orders were like spanned out from Friday to Friday, so a whole week. And I'm pretty happy with the orders that I got, and I'm really happy with the response. And I'm just happy that people chose to shop with me because there's so many millions of businesses out there, and there's people who chose to shop with me on Black Friday. So thank you if you're watching this, if you're any of my customers, thank you so much for supporting my business. It really means so much to me. And this is a dream of mine, natural hair and products. It's like my obsession. So I'm just so happy that I can actually live my dream. So I wanted this to be like a little bit of a video diary because I just want to like update you guys on like the progress of my business. So on a regular week, I do get orders every week. Ever since launch day, my launch day was September 1st, 2020, and it's December 7th of 2020. So I've been in business for about 3 months, selling products like officially with my website for about 3 months now, and I've been getting orders every single week. I'm not at the point where I'm getting orders every day, but I do get probably 1 to 2 orders a week. It's not crazy, but again, I'm still a small business, and this year I have so many different things I'm going to do to help me increase sales. But right now, that's what I do have. So if I don't get an order on my website, it's usually in person from a family member, a friend, or a coworker. But it's literally either one or the other. Like one week it'll be like, okay, I didn't get any sales on my website, but I had a couple in-person orders, or it'll be vice versa. Like nobody I know personally reached out to me, but I had a couple orders on my website. So it kind of just depends on the week. And I'm really just grateful to God that I am getting orders every week. Like that is such a blessing because I know that there's some people who go weeks on end without anything. So I'm just happy that I'm at that point where I am getting something a week, and that is such a blessing to me. And I'm excited for the next portion where I'm going to be getting orders every day. Like that, I can't wait for that time where I hit that point where every day I wake up to an order, or every day I'm surprised with, you know, a notification on my phone that someone ordered from me, and then I'm able to go to the post office every day because I like packaging orders. I love like seeing where the person lives and everything like that. And at this point, if you follow me on Instagram at King's Hair Care, because I did do a map and I put a little pin on every state that King's Hair Care has shipped to. And as of right now, we have about 15 states that we've shipped to. And I've only been in business 3 months. So thank you, Jesus, that we've able to just get out there. And that was one of my biggest goals, is I wanted to not stay in my city and not stay in my state. I didn't want to just be a local business. I wanted to reach the states. I wanted to reach out there into different states and venture out. And I wanted people from around the world to shop with me. I didn't just want to be a local business. I'm really happy, and I've had like some repeat customers. Like this one girl I work with, she shopped with me literally 3 times. I've had, you know, other people come back like 2 or 3 times, and it's just, I'm really happy that I'm having like returning customers. It's just amazing. Thank the Lord. And I'm gonna just go grab my jars to show you guys. So this is just one bag. These are my 8-ounce jars. So I'm probably gonna just wash about, I'll say 10 of these, because I forget how much jars I'm gonna need, because last time I did 2 big batches and that made a lot. So and I'm not gonna make this much this time because that first batch had lasted me about 3 months. My dog is crying. Hold on. So anyway, so this time I want to have like half the amount that I had last time. But anyway, so these are my jars. These are my 8-ounce jars, and so I'm probably gonna wash about 10 of these, and then probably like 7 sample size ones, because I have an 8-ounce table here. Let me show you. And I also have the 4-ounce jars. These are a sample size. These are really popular, and honestly, I had ordered these thinking that they were going to be bigger, and I was contemplating returning these. I did do a video, and if you guys saw, I was kind of like, why are these so small? But these are very popular. My sample size is very popular. I feel like I've probably sold more samples than I have full size. So these are really popular, and I'm happy that I actually made this mistake. So I'm probably going to do about 7. If I have extra in the bowl, I will just wash more, but right now I'm gonna try to do 10 full size, 7 small, and then I'm also gonna restock my oils because I only have like 5 oils left, and I started with 62. So I started my first batch with 62 oils, and now I'm down to 5. So that's just crazy that I've sold that many oils. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. This was the same shirt that I was wearing when I made my first batch. When I like was in my my entrepreneur vlog where I was like washing the stuff, like the bottles, I was literally wearing the same shirt. That's just crazy how things just go full circle. And it's crazy too because when I had made one of my butter batches, the movie Creed 2 was on TV, and literally, was it yesterday or the day before that, Creed 2 was on TV when I'm like about to be making my next batch. Like, what are the odds? Like, what are the odds? That's crazy. So anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go do that now, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna like position the camera. But yeah, we're about to do that. So as you guys can see, I have my dropper bottles just kind of upside down. I just rinse them out, and I just do this and let all the water come out because there's some drops inside the bottle that you obviously can't reach. So you just have to let it. This is what I do because I'm extra, and I just wait for the drops, everything to dry. So there's absolutely no water inside, just because water and oil do not mix, obviously. And then I just lay these out on a paper towel. Usually it takes about 24 hours to 2 days for it to completely dry. So that's sitting out right now. Over here, I just have all of my washed jars. So these are all of my washed jars, and they're just sitting out. And I'm going to just cut my butter and start working on making it a little bit tonight. And yeah.
Used to pay my mind life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool.
guys, so sorry if this vlog is all over the place, but I spent majority of this week restocking my website. So I had to do a fresh batch of hair growth butter just because I was running out of that and it had restocked. I mean, it had gone out of stock and I only had a few left. And also my hair growth oil was running really low as well. So I just had to make fresh oil, and this one is one of the new ones that I just made, and I just relabeled everything. This is our 2-ounce hair growth oil, and this is the hair growth butter. I made a bunch more of these, and I also restocked the sample sizes because we only had about 3 of the sample sizes left, but now they're restocked on the website. So my hair, I know it looks different, but I just did some twists. I used the hair growth butter because you can use the hair growth butter for twist outs and braid outs, and you can also use it for lock method. So like if you're doing like liquid oil cream, you can use it as the C in the lock method, so the cream. It works really good for that. I actually did post a video on my YouTube channel, a twist out takedown video, and it shows like the results of the twist out. So if you guys are curious, it's like a 1-minute video, so you can go check it out on my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna do like an actual like real tutorial one of these days, like just showing you guys how to do a twist out if you're interested. But I really like twist outs now, and I like using my hair growth butter for them. So right now it's like 11:30. It's a Saturday, and my office has been a mess because of like Black Friday and packaging and like rushing to the post office. So I really need to clean it up, also because I've been doing like my photo shoots in here and I haven't really been cleaning up. So I'm gonna just clean up because I'm gonna have to do another photo shoot. When I say photo shoot, I mean like of my products. And I just got some like ideas for Christmas. So I'm gonna just be taking some pictures for Instagram today. I'm just cleaning my office, and yeah, and then I'm probably gonna go live today just to like notify my followers of the restock. Just to let everyone know that stuff is being restocked, and yeah, and that's pretty much gonna be the vlog. So I don't think I'm gonna show you guys me cleaning because this place is really messy. But yeah, I'll be back later. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my office and now I'm just like staging for Instagram pictures. So I'm gonna show you guys my setup. So this is my setup. I have 2 ring lights, and then if you look down here, I just have like a little setup. So I just have my hair growth oil with some fake snow, some silver bells, and I'm gonna just kind of play around with it. And the plaid that you guys see, that's just tissue paper. So we'll see. I'm gonna play around with it and then start taking my Instagram pictures. Hey guys, so that is the end of this Entrepreneur Life vlog. I will be having a new one coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.